All right, guys, so we have another unboxing. This is the Kline 14-piece deep well half-inch impact socket set. Model number is 65111 impact. I don't know if this is, I think this is something new. I mean, I've looked on YouTube and stuff to see if I see this model number or this kit, this set, and I have not seen it. I've walked around Lowe's, seen it, it caught my eye. I went back later because I do have a couple of Mod Box Kline stuff. So it is a SAE set. Like I said, it is an impact, so it is made for quote unquote your drill, your impact. Here is some more information that is on the back. So it has, see if I can hold this here. It has an adapter for your half-inch, and it has two more adapters for your 11/16 inch. As you can see, just like Milwaukee or vice versa, everybody, they are coming out with this coloring type system, okay, so that you can, if you don't remember the size, maybe you remember red is, that's the inch socket. But let's go ahead, let's get it open so we can get a better look at it. This goes for, oh man, I hope I can. I gotta keep on saying, yes I can. Woo! That is, you know the saying, if it ain't tight, it ain't right. Man. Woo! That's tight. Boy. Well, maybe I just got the wrong thing trying to get this off here. Maybe I need a blade versus a scissor. Whew. This is the hardest unboxing. Wow. I think that I've ever had. Could also be the most satisfying. It's like getting a new phone. You know, you rip that seal off of the face of the phone. Pop. It's late. I'm just coming from work. I gotta get up early in the morning. But I want to make this unboxing video for you guys. There we go. So hopefully that is a lot clearer. Like I said, they have some nice, as far as I can tell, hold on. This is my first time. This is your tab that's here on the side. You have another one over here. And you have a little carrying handle if you need one. So you just push your tabs forward. Open that up like so. And you have some nice painted color schemes here. Your sizes are nice and large. Don't know after a while will they um, actually wear out. So this is your 1/2 inch adapter. Your 1/2 inch is red. Oh, right here. So that is what close up the numbering and stuff looks like. You put your adapter up here. It's gonna be kind of hard. And if you have, even if you have some all threads that are kind of deep or what have you, I believe that's the purpose for this. The sockets are actually bigger than the average um, size sockets. So if you ever get into that situation, these sizes are also etched into the casing. That's right here. I just noticed that, as well as what's on the actual tool itself. So this is the 11/16. That fits right in there. Then this end right here, you can put on your impact. Sorry, on your impact. Hold on, let me just see if I can get my impact. Just give me a second. Let's take this off. So if you wanted to use this on your impact, you just take that in right there, push that forward. Put that on your impact. Give me a second. Let's pull that off. Also, these are ball bearing fittings. So you see that these have the holes that's in them. So you have to line your ball bearings up and give that a good tug in. That's what's going to hold these guys together and be able to pull them apart. So this is supposed to be the other adapter for the 11/16. Push that in that way. And I'm assuming if you need to get into somewhere a little longer, you can take that, put that in there, and hook this piece up. Again, to your impact. I just want to see something out of curiosity. What I noticed too is pretty much these are easy to come out and go in. They're not that difficult at all. And let's pull that back out. They're a little greasy. I guess that's the way they're supposed to be. And take that adapter. Again, hook it up to your drill. So let's see. Don't want to make this video too long and boring. Let's just see something while we at it. As far as the Kline box, you just press the top down, that latches, it locks. So let's bring these into play here. Just want to see if these mod boxes, and they should, that's supposed to be the whole idea behind it, but I can't seem to get the smaller box to attach on here. I may have to actually play around with it and see. That's what I was hoping for, is that I can attach these smaller boxes to this, but that's gonna be a bummer if that is not what I can do. Yeah, but I'm gonna play around with this some more off of camera. But if you guys like this unboxing video of the Kline Modbox Deep Socket set, give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, so I got it. So if you turn your box around, well, you don't turn your box around. If you look right here on the back, right here, right where this hinges, because that's what I did, there is a little indentation that's just right here. So that's where you're gonna attach your smaller mod boxes to. So I had this mod box, I have this piece that's right here. So I press back like this, then I let that go, and that connects right into that space. And you push down, so right now it's locked. Turn it around, that's locked. All right, so I have another small mod box that has the same impression on the back, same fitting on the back. So I'm just gonna press down on it, push down, come on, yeah. I had it in here before. Don't do this to me, don't do this to me, don't make me look bad. No, this one doesn't want to go. Give me a second, guys. There we go. You just gotta push on the back of the clip right here, and then you just gotta push down really hard. So then what you can do, you want to get to stuff that's in here. You just push this sideways. I got to get used to these new Kline mod boxes. But you push this over to the side, that releases. Then you can get whatever stuff you need in here. Just close it back. Do the same thing to the box underneath. You can just pick that up. Get to your other tools in here. Close it back up. If I want to get now to these larger tools, these guys right here is on the side. I just push forward and I open them up. Really easy accessibility. And the connectivity is not that hard as what it seems. push down, close it up. Like I said, this has a handle. Now, if I wanted to carry this and the handle like this, I can just go ahead and do that. I don't know how long this handle will last like that, but yeah, that can be done. Now, I just noticed like 2 more indentions right here. So maybe you can take another set and you can put another set on this side. I don't know. I'm not going to get into that at this particular point. I just wanted to bring it back to you guys and let you know, yes, you can connect your smaller mod boxes to this 1/2 inch impact socket set with not a problem. So what's it saying? Just when you think you're finished, you find something new? Well, again, right where I left off at with connectivity with the mod box, you can place another box in the front. So you can either double stack them or you can place another box in the front. Right here, you can't see it. There are 2 grooves where these feet go into. Okay, and you press down and there is another lip that is back here where that back latch will fit. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you take the legs, match the legs up, right, and then push. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The Kline mod box. Again, this particular box has a handle. So, for better leverage, carrying it this way is much better. There is more balance to it. And then if you want, depending on something else, you have another 2, you can stack them on top, or you can carry this in whatever you want to carry it in.